Here is a beginner-level production manager quiz that covers workplace layout and space utilization, production process standardization, and energy and utility management. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary objective of workplace layout planning in production? A. To create a comfortable break room. B. To optimize space and improve workflow efficiency. C. To decorate the factory with posters. And D. To reduce the number of employees. The answer is to optimize space and improve workflow efficiency. Question 2. Which factor is most important when designing a production workspace? A. Machine placement and workflow organization. B. Employee birthdays. C. Office wall color. And D. Employee seating arrangement in the cafeteria. The answer is machine placement and workflow organization. Question 3. Which of the following is a key benefit of effective space utilization in manufacturing? A. Increased material waste. B. Reduced worker productivity. C. Enhanced safety and efficiency. And D. More obstacles in the workspace. The answer is enhanced safety and efficiency. Question 4. What is an important principle of lean manufacturing layout design? A. Maximizing travel distances between workstations. B. Using extra large workspaces unnecessarily. C. Keeping workstations in random order. And D. Organizing tools and equipment for easy access. The answer is organizing tools and equipment for easy access. Question 5. Which workplace layout is most suitable for continuous production flow? A. Process layout. B. Fixed position layout. C. Product layout. And D. Cellular layout. The answer is product layout. Question 6. What is the goal of production process standardization? A. To ensure consistent quality and efficiency in manufacturing. B. To allow workers to decide their own production methods. C. To avoid the use of best practices. And D. To make production processes unpredictable. The answer is to ensure consistent quality and efficiency in manufacturing. Question 7. Which of the following is a key component of standardizing production processes? A. Randomizing production steps. B. Documenting standard operating procedures, SOPs. C. Avoiding quality checks. And D. Allowing workers to use any available tools. The answer is documenting standard operating procedures, SOPs. Question 8. What is the primary advantage of using standard operating procedures, SOPs? A. Reducing efficiency in production. B. Increasing confusion in manufacturing. C. Ensuring all employees follow the same procedures. And D. Making the production process slower. The answer is ensuring all employees follow the same procedures. Question 9. Which of the following helps in improving process standardization? A. Using different methods for every batch. B. Establishing a structured quality control system. C. Ignoring deviations in production. And D. Encouraging workers to use different techniques. establishing a structured quality control system. Question 10. What is a benefit of process standardization in production? A. Increased variability in product quality. B. Slower production cycles. C. Making it harder for new employees to learn. And D. Reduced production errors and rework. The answer is reduced production errors and rework. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following is an important factor in energy and utility management in production? A. Monitoring and reducing energy waste. B. Increasing unnecessary power usage. C. Running all machines continuously, even when not in use. And D. Avoiding energy audits. The answer is monitoring and reducing energy waste. Question 12. What is the purpose of an energy audit in a manufacturing facility? A. To increase energy consumption. B. To identify areas where energy efficiency can be improved. C. To ignore energy-saving opportunities. And D. To make electricity bills higher. The answer is to identify areas where energy efficiency can be improved. Question 13. Which of the following can reduce energy consumption in manufacturing? A. Using outdated machinery. B. Ignoring power usage patterns. C. Keeping machines running even when idle. And D. Implementing energy-efficient lighting and equipment. The answer is implementing energy-efficient lighting and equipment. Question 14. Which strategy is most effective for energy conservation in production? A. Using energy-efficient motors and drives. B. Running machines at maximum speed all the time. C. Ignoring maintenance schedules. And D. Using more power than required. The answer is using energy-efficient motors and drives. Question 15. What is a key method to improve energy efficiency in production? A. Using the least efficient processes. B. Increasing manual labor without optimization. C. Running production lines non-stop without control. And D. Implementing automation to reduce energy waste. The answer is implementing automation to reduce energy waste. Question 16. Which factor contributes to higher energy consumption in manufacturing? A. Using old and inefficient machines. B. Regular maintenance of equipment. C. Installing energy-saving systems. And D. Using optimized workflows. The answer is using old and inefficient machines. Question 17. Which of the following helps in reducing utility costs in a factory? A. Running all equipment continuously. B. Monitoring energy usage and optimizing power consumption. C. Ignoring power-saving techniques. And D. Increasing the number of lights and fans in the workspace. The answer is monitoring energy usage and optimizing power consumption. Question 18. Why is it important to manage water and gas utilities in a manufacturing facility? A. To use more resources than necessary. B. to increase waste in production, C, to ensure sustainable and cost-effective operations, and D, to make production less efficient? The answer is to ensure sustainable and cost-effective operations. Question 19. What is a smart meter used for in production? A, to ignore energy efficiency, B, to increase power usage, C, to stop production automatically, and D, to measure and monitor energy consumption. The answer is to measure and monitor energy consumption. Question 20. Which of the following is an effective energy-saving strategy? A, conducting regular equipment maintenance. B, keeping machines powered on at all times. C, using inefficient lighting. And D, ignoring power-saving initiatives. The answer is conducting regular equipment maintenance. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.